Ever wondered how to scale your professional network instantly? Here is how to use a LinkedIn follower bot in 2026 to get results. Let's dive in first. Head over to Naizop.com. Once you're on the site, the setup is super easy. Just click Login and use your Google account to get into the dashboard immediately. Next, you'll need to add balance to your account. Head to the Deposit section. You can top up using your card, crypto, or several other secure methods. It's fast, so you can start growing your profile right away. Now let's set up the order. Go to New Order and click the search bar. Type in LinkedIn follower and choose the first option. This high-quality service costs about $75.02 per 1,000 followers, which is great for building that instant corporate credibility. From here, just paste your LinkedIn profile link. For this demo, we're going to test this out with 100 followers. Enter the amount, tap, Order Now, and that's it. The LinkedIn follower bot starts processing your request in the background. So here's how it went, and the followers got in. I checked back after a little while, and as you can see, the numbers are already climbing. We went from our starting count straight to our target without any hassle. Because this is technically against LinkedIn's terms of service, just a quick warning though. You need to be smart about it. Don't drop 10,000 followers on a brand new account overnight. Stick to realistic numbers like I did here to stay under the radar and keep your account safe. If you want to try it out, go to Naizop using the link in the description below. It's the most reliable way to get that initial momentum. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2026 growth hacks.